Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vanity lights for bathroom that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the A1A9 3-light bathroom vanity light in brushed gold. This fixture boasts a modern, eye-catching design with a brushed gold texture and clear glass shades, making it a standout option for those looking to add a touch of elegance to their space. Its anti-rust finish ensures durability, even in humid environments like bathrooms and laundry rooms. The size is compact yet functional, measuring 10 inches high and 17.8 inches long, ensuring it doesn't overpower your space while providing ample lighting. The A1A9 vanity light supports E26 bulbs, offering flexibility for any bulb type, including incandescent, LED, and CFL. It's also compatible with dimmable bulbs and switches, allowing users to create their desired ambiance. Installation is straightforward, with all mounting hardware included, and the reversible mounting option lets you choose between upward or downward light projection. This makes it ideal for spaces like bathrooms, bedrooms, or hallways where versatility is key. On the downside, bulbs are not included, so you'll need to purchase them separately. But overall, the A1A9 vanity light is a great option for those who value style and functionality at a mid-range price point. It's perfect for modern and farmhouse-style spaces. At number 4, we have the Vanity brushed nickel bathroom light fixtures. This fixture delivers a sleek and minimalist appearance, featuring milky white frosted glass shades that provide soft, eye-friendly lighting. The brushed nickel finish, combined with a double-layer spray painting process, ensures durability and resistance to scratches, making this light a polished addition to any modern bathroom or living space. Performance-wise, the Vanity light offers compatibility with E26 bulbs, including LED, CFL, and halogen options. When paired with dimmable bulbs and switches, you can enjoy full control over brightness to suit your mood. Installation is hassle-free, thanks to its straightforward design and included hardware. You can also choose between upward or downward mounting, depending on your needs. A slight drawback is its lightweight construction, which some users might perceive as less robust compared to heavier models. Additionally, bulbs are not included, so you'll need to factor in that extra cost. Overall, this fixture is ideal for those seeking a versatile, stylish solution for bathrooms, kitchens, or bedrooms, all while staying within a reasonable budget. Coming in at number 3 is the DLLT 3-light bathroom light fixtures from Dingley Lighting. As the budget-friendly option on our list, this vanity light doesn't skimp on features. It has a sleek matte black finish and clear glass shades that complement various decor styles from rustic to contemporary. With a robust metal lamp body and pole, this fixture is built for durability and safety, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. The DLLT light is compatible with E26 bulbs and supports energy-efficient options like LED. Its reversible mounting design allows for both upward and downward orientation, giving you flexibility in how you customize your lighting. The installation process is quick and simple, taking less than 10 minutes, which is great for DIY enthusiasts. While it's a fantastic value for the price, the DLLT light doesn't include bulbs, and its brightness may not match higher-end models. However, its 5-year warranty is a standout feature, offering peace of mind for buyers. If you're looking for an affordable, yet stylish and functional vanity light, this one is hard to beat. The runner-up spot goes to the Zarbita 3-light bathroom light fixtures. This fixture combines style and durability, featuring a matte black finish and clear glass shades that suit various decor styles. The all-metal construction ensures sturdiness and longevity, and the heat-resistant ceramic socket reduces the need for frequent bulb replacements, making it both cost-effective and safer. One of its standout features is the reversible mounting option. which allows you to install it facing up or down based on your design preferences. It's versatile enough for bathrooms, living rooms, corridors, and more. The Zarbita light is compatible with E26 bulbs and offers compatibility with LED, energy-efficient, and incandescent options. Pros include its scratch-resistant finish and 36-month warranty, which demonstrates the brand's confidence in its product quality. On the downside, the brightness may not be as strong as LED-exclusive models, and bulbs are not included. Overall, the Zarbita Vanity Light strikes a great balance between style, performance, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for mid-range buyers. And finally, taking the top spot is the Sunrise LED Modern Bathroom Vanity Light Fixtures. If you're looking for premium quality, this fixture delivers on all fronts. Featuring a matte black metal frame and frosted acrylic lampshades, it offers a sleek, contemporary design that's perfect for modern bathrooms. Its advanced sealing technology ensures durability, making it dust-proof, fog-proof, and moisture-resistant, ideal for humid environments. The Sunrise light uses energy-efficient LEDs with a brightness equivalent to that of 120-watt bulbs, but at just 24 watts of power consumption. The cool white 6000K color temperature provides excellent clarity for tasks like makeup application. Its 360-degree rotatable design allows you to adjust individual lights for customized positioning, adding to its functionality. Installation is straightforward and the build quality feels top-notch. The only downside to this premium model is the higher price point, but it's backed by a 60-day refund policy and a 12-month replacement warranty. If you're seeking a high-performance, modern vanity light that's built to last, the Sunrise LED fixture is the ultimate choice for your bathroom upgrade. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.